What are the best affiliate programs for beginners who is just getting into affiliate marketing? Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is a RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the little bell icon, so you get all of my notifications every week when I put out videos. So, what are the best affiliate programs for beginners who is just getting into affiliate marketing? If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you pick a product and you're driving traffic to that product. You don't have to worry about customer service. You ain't got to worry about shipping or dealing with returns. All you're doing is trying to promote the product. Drive traffic, whether it's to your website, to your Shopify store, depends on what it is, or just to an email where they click on the link and it takes them to the product. If they buy it, you get a commission. But there's many platforms out there that if you're not sure, you can actually go into and pick something. Depends on what your niche is. If you got a hobby and you know a lot about it, then one of these platforms may have it. Or if you have no idea what you want to promote, you could go in there and look, but I would try to find something. If you're using certain software, I would probably look at that first. So before we dive in, everybody knows about ClickBanks. I'm sure you've seen the videos on YouTube where everybody's talking about, oh, ClickBank. Well, ClickBank is good platform. There's a lot, all you do is click the Start Here button. You register, you go in. Once you get in, you just go to the marketplace, and you find, depends on what your niche is. It could be health, it could be fitness, it could be gardening, whatever it is that you're into, it's probably in there. If you're like software or promote, maybe you're into crypto or investments or anything, it's probably in one of these platforms I'm getting ready to show you that you can go in and get your information, your link, your banners. ClickBank actually has email stuff that you can copy and put in there to send out, if you want to do an email campaign. But ClickBank is not the only game in town. Their share sale, which is basically the same thing. They got their own stuff that you can go in and pick from. They got their banners and stuff too. Impact, they're really good. Got the same thing. You can go into it. Once you sign up for it, you sign in, then you go in and register. Then once you do that, then you can pick whatever product maybe you're into. And if you're not sure about which products or which software to use to get started in affiliate marketing, there's System.io that you can actually use. This software, which has everything in there that you're going to need to build a funnels. You're going to you create sales funnels, email marketing, build your website. You can manage your affiliates in here also. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you can join their affiliate program. Anything that any company more than likely has affiliate program. All you have to do is go down here where it says affiliate program. You click it, sign up for it. They'll make an account, then they'll give you your link. Then you can start promoting System.io. It's a good product. Like I said, you're going to save a lot of money if you look right here. If you're new to it, then if you want to do videos and all that stuff, it's going to it'll save you at least $320 if you're doing all that stuff. But when you're new, your budget's tight. You're on a shoestring budget. You're working 9 to 5, and you're trying to figure this stuff out. But before you dive in and start spending a bunch of money, I would recommend you go down to the description, click the link, and get training first, because none of this stuff's going to make sense until you have the training. You can watch all the YouTube videos you want, but they're not. It's not going to help you. You know, you may get started and just be dangerous, you know, and not know enough to really to make any headway. But if you want the training, you want you know, we can do the training. We can do you get your own mentor that's going to walk you through everything. It's going to help you along the way, push you. And the main thing is to tell you things by people who's already been doing this. You know, our guys have been doing this. They're already millionaires. They already know what works, what doesn't work. So they're going to give you the shortcuts. They're going to tell you, don't do it like this, do it this way. Don't build a landing page like this, build it like that. And you'll get more conversions, and it's going to help you in the long run because they've already done all that. They've already done the split testing. They know what works, what doesn't work. So you're going to bypass all the trial and error and money and aggravation and all that stuff. So it's before you do anything, I would definitely get training. But this is another good program, System.io. If you're trying to do affiliate marketing and you're looking for some software, here's one that you can use. It has everything in it, and they have an affiliate program, which, you know, so you can sign up for it and to do it and promote it. So Aweber is another one. It's a great email marketing tool. They also have affiliate marketing program. You just probably go down to the bottom, like most of these programs, look for something that says affiliate or, you know, referral or something like that, and click on it, sign up for it, and then you'll be able to get your link and that kind of stuff and start promoting it. It's you know, a lot of this stuff sells itself because people use it every day. You know, and if you're just getting started, you may be using it, but didn't know they had an affiliate program where you can actually promote it. And the key to it is to try to promote something that you already know. Pick one or two things that maybe you're using, or if it's something that maybe a hobby or something that you're used to doing and you know a lot about it, then you can look in one of those other platforms and see if it's in there and see if they got an affiliate program. Or if it's a product that you use, just go to the website and go down to the bottom and look for something that says affiliate, referral, or something like that, and see if it's that it's in there. And you can probably join it that way also. Bluehost is another one. The thing about Bluehost that people don't know, that's shocking, is that they're more than just a website and like domains. You know, they got a marketing section that can help you promote your social media stuff. Like if Bluehost say you and you don't know anything about building a website, you can go to Fiverr and hire somebody for, you know, $20, but you're spending a lot of time emailing back and forth, and it can get frustrating. Bluehost will build it for you. Bluehost will build it for you. So, and you actually got somebody you can talk to, and they do marketing for you. They can also do your marketing, like for your social media. You can pick articles and help promote that stuff, you know, on social media for you. It kind of frees you up so you can do something else. And they got a team that does SEO, so, you know, which is great. But now if you want to do Bluehost, they used to be in-house, manage their affiliate program, but they have recently changed about a month ago. So now you will have to go to Impact and sign in. Then what it's going to do is ask you, do you have an account or do you need to make one? Well, you just go in and make one. And once you get your account, then you just go into do a search on Bluehost. Then you can join Bluehost through Impact, because they no longer do their affiliate marketing in-house. I'm sure you're probably using ClickFunnels or heard of it when you're looking at stuff on YouTube. I like ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels. The only aggravation I got with ClickFunnels is their affiliate program. Is that, when you first sign up for their affiliate program, they won't let you actually sell the funnel portion of it. You got to sell like $1,000 of all their other stuff, books and webinars and the first, challenge and all that other stuff. Well, if you're not into all that stuff and all you really want to promote is the funnel, well, then it kind of leaves you out. It's kind of aggravating that you got to promote all this other stuff. Maybe you're not into it. So into selling that, all you want to do is sell the funnel because you're using it. It's it sells itself. It's because people use it. You gotta use something in order for your funnels, unless you to get sales. But there's another one that you can also use, Getresponse. They're pretty good. Email marketing, website builder, making everything auto. You can also e-commerce marketing. So there's really a lot of programs out there. There's Weebly. I kind of like Weebly. If you're into it, they're pretty good. If you're trying to do like an e-commerce store, but you can do them or Shopify or something. It depends on really what you're into or what you're trying to do as far as your niche. But you can, it's like most of them. You scroll down, they're gonna have an affiliate program right there. All you gotta do is click on it, sign up for it, and then you can start promoting them. They'll give you a link and that kind of stuff. And they're also good to build your website. Maybe you don't want to go with Bluehost, you want to go with something else. But I'm going to tell you, Bluehost customer service, hands down, probably one of the best out there. So, keep that in mind when you're thinking about different products. Also think about the customer service. Let's just say, you need help with your website. Check them out. Do your research. Make sure that when you pick up the phone, or can you pick up the phone and call somebody, or are you going to have to sit there and email back and forth for 2 days? So keep that in mind. Aweber, they're great. If you're trying to do something on your campaign and you don't want to break a rule, or you're not sure about it, call them. I'm telling you, Bluehost and Aweber are awesome. Their customer service, by far, hands down, probably some of the best. If you get stuck or you don't know, you call them, bam, that you're done. They'll walk you through it, or they'll do it and show you. So don't hesitate to reach out to those people and to get some support. But now, like I said, before you get to do any of this stuff, and if you're going to need the training. So whatever you do, you can go down to the description, and I'll leave the description for Aweber, System.io, hosting, all these other ones in here that you can check out and take a look, Getresponse. But before you sign up for it, if you're using it already, that's great. That way you know something about it. But just to go into ClickBank and share, sale, and impact and just grab something and try to promote it, you're not really going to be able. You're not going to. If you don't know a little bit about it, it's going to be hard to do, especially if you're brand new. Now once you get used to this, you can pick anything and promote it because you got the skills, and you need to learn the skills. So just remember, click the link. I'll leave the link down in the description where you can click it. We can give you your training and give you your mentor to walk you through stuff, guide you on what works, what doesn't work. And all these guys who's going to be helping you are all multi-millionaires. They've been doing affiliate marketing. They just decided to get together and start this and to get the word out and to help people. So that's what we're all about. We're all about getting your time and your financial future back on track. So, and we don't want you wasting time with stuff that doesn't work, because it's not good for you and it's not good for your bottom line. And so just keep in mind, any of these stuff will be down below in the description. And Check me out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and the little bell icon so you get all my videos. You'll get a notification when all my videos come out, when they come out weekly. If you're not checking me out on TikTok or Pinterest, feel free, go to my website. It's all down below too in the description. And I'll see you next week on the next video.